Alright, good morning traders. This is Miami Trade Floor with GoodMorningForex.com. I want to welcome you to a follow-up for today's trade room. This is December 29th. We are in the last trading week of the year, so there is a historically low volume this week. Now, today we're going to be having a lesson on the Aussie dollar 5-minute chart, where we're going to be discussing some of our technical indicators and what we see in those trades. And basically, we look at these charts every day in our online trade room, 5 days a week, starting at 7 a.m. If you would like free access to the room for 5 days, visit us at goodmorningforex.com/YouTube, and you can get a free 5-day access. You can also come here to the website, click on technical analysis under the market analysis section, and you'll get a full-size photo of each trade. If you do have questions, just give us a call at our U.S. phone number, which is 786-286-8089. Now, let's get into it, traders. Alright, traders, today we had this Aussie dollar movement in the markets, and just overall gist from our charts, we have 4 moving averages, the L1, L2, L3, and then purple L7. We also have our Bollinger Bands in these lines, as well as we have a channel indicator. We have 2 sets of MACDs and a stochastic RSI. Now, we see that we had a Bollinger squeeze around this area, which is around 6 in the morning. There was no news coming out, and we basically, out of the Bollinger squeeze, we started coming down. And right when we had our L1 cross our L2, we see that the Bollinger started opening up, and we rode it all the way down, and we came down exactly to L7. We didn't close under it, and that's could have been a good position for a long. I was already in another trade, so I really couldn't take this position just by my money management rules. But we see that stochastic RSI was oversold. We also see that the MACD was about to start crossing over, so it would have been a nice position to take some points or take an entry right around this level off the L7. We were outside the Bollingers and just take it up. And we see that once we did our first crossover and our second crossover and the stochastic RSI started coming up, we see that we had a nice movement to the upside for around 30 to 40 points. It was just a generally nice trade to take, and it was a pretty textbook trade for any of you that were in the room. If you did look at dollar CAD did have the inverse movement, but the L7 for dollar CAD wasn't there. There was an L7 on a 15-minute chart above for dollar CAD, and it basically did the same reflection of a movement. So that's important to understand when you're looking at these correlations, traders, and you're trading in between pairs when there's no news or no major news hitting the markets. We always do watch our live TV to make sure that I can actually know what's going on in regards to the markets in general. And with that, traders, that's today's lesson of the day using our 5-minute formula for Aussie dollar. And with that, we will see you all tomorrow in the trade room, nice and early. If you do have any questions, just visit us at goodmorningforex.com/YouTube, and you can get free access to our online trade room where we trade 5 days a week. Alright, traders, thank you and have a great day. Confident trades.